You know the drill. You do something wrong, you say, I'm sorry. But what if there were better alternatives? In this video, I'm going to show you some advanced apologies that will make you look and feel like a better person. Hey there, welcome to Zenfluent Maria. I'm Maria and I share weekly English fluency tips and tricks to help boost your confidence and fulfill your highest potential in English. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop saying I am sorry. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a bit harsh? Well, not really. Saying I'm sorry all the time makes you sound weak and uncertain. It is a phrase that can easily be replaced with more confident alternatives that will make people take you more seriously. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what to say instead. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and click on the like button down below to support me. Now, let's begin. The first alternative you can use is my bad. Now, this is a slang phrase used in the United States. It is very common to hear people say my bad when they do a mistake and want to say sorry. You can also say my mistake, which has the same meaning that you're admitting you did something wrong, but it wasn't a very big deal. For example, oh, I sent you the wrong link. My bad.
My bad. My bad.
The next one is my apologies. Now, this phrase is usually followed by the preposition for. It is very common to say my apologies for or I apologize for in a business or professional context. So we mostly use this phrase with our coworkers in a business environment. Don't use it in informal speech because you can give off a sarcastic vibe and people won't really take you seriously. My apologies for not being able to attend your retirement dinner.
My apologies for the joke.
The next one is I am terribly or I am so very sorry. When we add so, very, or terribly, we make the meaning of the apologize stronger. These words express the intensity of the feeling of regret. We usually use this phrase when we are apologizing for a larger mistake. Don't ever use this phrase for a minor mistake because, again, it may make you look sarcastic and insincere. The stress falls on the words so, very, or terribly. Let's say, I am terribly sorry for the inconvenience, or I'm so sorry for not responding earlier.
I'm terribly sorry.
The next one is I owe you an apology. This phrase is also very common in the US among native speakers. It is often used to open or to end a conversation. It shows the other person that you know that an apology is necessary and you're just about to do that now. For example, I owe you an apology. I said some very bad things about you.
I owe you an apology.
No, I owe you an apology.
The next one is I hope you can forgive me. This phrase expresses the desire for the other person to forgive you and not be angry or upset with you. It also shows that you're aware you did something wrong and now you're asking for forgiveness. I know what I did was wrong. I hope you can forgive me.
Anyway, I hope you can forgive me.
The next one is please don't be mad at me. This is another informal phrase we use with people we know very well. It is not recommended to use this phrase in a business setting. With this phrase, you are admitting to your mistake and you're asking for an apology.
Please, please, please don't be mad at me.
The next one is pardon me. We use pardon me when we are saying sorry for something that happened on accident, but it was rude of you. For example, you accidentally burp or push someone or accidentally step on someone's foot, you say pardon. For example, oh, pardon me, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Pardon me.
The next one is please excuse my ignorance, for example. This is a formal phrase, and we use it when we apologize for our lack of knowledge or ability. The word ignorance can be replaced with other nouns depending on the apology. It can be, please excuse my carelessness, forgetfulness, or something else. For example, forgive my ignorance. I don't know anything about fashion.
Forgive my ignorance, but
The next one is, please accept my sincerest apologies. This phrase is very common in written English, especially in formal letters and emails. The word sincerest makes the apology very strong and very formal. This phrase is quite strong, so don't use it if you want to apologize for a minor mistake. For example, please accept my sincerest apologies for this horrible mistake.
Then I hope that you accept our sincerest apology.
The next one is, I take full responsibility. This phrase is also a very formal phrase. Usually we use it in business or professional situation where you need to admit that you somehow caused a problem and now you will take responsibility for the problem. For example, I take full responsibility for the failure of the election campaign.
I take full responsibility for my actions.
And that's it. Instead of saying, I am sorry, try out some of these phrases the next time you need to apologize. These advanced phrases will help convey the same message, but with more sincerity and impact. Now I'm curious, what is your favorite phrase for saying I'm sorry? Let me know in the comments. And finally, if you've made it this far and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to support me. Until the next video, take care, stay zen, and I will see you then. Bye.